It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 57 East George Street, Providence, Rhode Island. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, townhouse style condo for rent. Start our video tour in your private entry here when we walk in. Little mudroom area. Gleaming hardwood floors throughout. New lighting, fresh paint. We'll do a tour of the downstairs before we head upstairs. To my left here, got the half bathroom. Got a coat closet to my left after the bathroom here. Big windows, lots of natural light, custom blinds, high ceilings, very big open floor plan here. Plenty of room for dining room table as well as a large living room set. You got central air throughout. Back here you have your own private porch off the living room area, as well as a small fenced-in backyard. Behind me here on the right side, left to right, you got a stainless steel refrigerator, double sink, countertop and cabinet space, dishwasher, state-of-the-art gas stove, built-in microwave. As you can see, lots of natural light coming through here. Now we're going to make our way upstairs. But first, before we head up that way, right, that door there leads to a one-car garage, as well as another entrance to go downstairs to a finished basement, which does have another smaller, separate room that would make perfect space for a second living room, or maybe a playroom for the kids. So now let's make our way upstairs. To my left here, you got bedroom number 1, big enough for a large king set, closet space there. Right across the hallway, you got the first full bathroom of the residence, with a shower, tub, and vanity. Before we make our way upstairs to the 3rd floor, go down the hallway here. Newer washer and dryer, linen closet there to my left. Bedroom number 2, very spacious as well. Big windows, lots of natural light coming in through here. We see a theme throughout with the beautiful windows and lighting coming through. This could easily fit a king set as well. And then we make our way around the corner. Got tucked in closet space here. And you got the full bathroom, shower, tub, and vanity. So this bedroom number 2 does have its own bathroom. Now let's make our way up to the 3rd floor. You're gonna really love this. Beautiful, beautiful main bedroom and ensuite bathroom. To my right, we got the bedroom area here. Easily could fit a king set. Off the bedroom. Beautiful private porch overlooking east side of Providence. Across the hallway here, you got your full bathroom, double sinks, gorgeous lighting, vanity, jacuzzi tub, toilet, and then stand-up shower as well. And then right behind me, you get a huge walk-in closet, plenty of hanging and storage space. I'd like to apply for 57 East George Street, on the east side of Providence. click that apply now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out their own application. This is Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.